So children, this is the story, that is the wicked barber's plight. It is a folk tale actually. Actually this is a folk tale. So this is the story of Birbal, how he escaped by a plot made by jealous ministers. As you all know, Birbal was a very famous man in Akbar's emperor, Akbar's Darbar. So let's see this in story. What happens? One day, all the ministers, they were jealous of Birbal. So one day they approached the king's barber with a plan. As the barber was extremely close to the king, they asked him to help them get rid of Birbal permanently. Actually, all were jealous, so they wanted to be rid of him. So what did they do? They told him that they will give money for that. So the wicked barber readily agreed. The next time the king required the service, the barber started conversation about the emperor's father, who he also used to serve. He sang praise of his fine silky smooth hair. That means he praised a lot. And then what happens? Afterthought, he asked the king that as he was enjoying such great prosperity, means he's having so much wealth, he had made an attempt to do something for their ancestors. The king was furious of such stupidly impairment, means stupidly question पूछने पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्से में आ गया. And he told the barber that he was not possible to do anything because they were already dead. The barber mentioned that he knew a magician who could come and help. So what happens? The magician could send a person up to heaven, and whatever you want to give them, you can give it. He told that. In turn, what happens? Then this Akbar told, okay, then we'll see that. So that barber told, actually if you want to send a person to heaven, that means the person should be wise, intelligent and knowledgeable. The barber then suggested best person for the job, the wisest of all, that is Birbal. Okay, then what happens? So the king was very excited about hearing from his dead father and asked the barber to go ahead and make the arrangements immediately. So what happens? He asked him to need to be done, what and all, everything should be there. You can do that. So barber explained that. So Birbal started doing that. He proceeded with the burial grounds and light a fire. The magician would then chant some mantras and Birbal would ascend. Ascend means चढ़ना. एक तरह से कहीं भी आगे जाके चढ़ना है. चढ़ना means he has to climb the heaven. So that is ascend. So heavens through the smoke, the chanting would help to protect Birbal from the fire. That means, in Hindi I would tell you that चिता बनाई गई और उसके ऊपर then Birbal was set. मतलब उस पर सेट किया जाएगा बीरबल को, उसको आग दी जाएगी and then he will follow the heavens way. मतलब रास्ता मिल जाएगा और वो धुएं के थ्रू ऊपर चढ़ जाएगा. The king happily informed Birbal of this plan. Birbal ने सोचा, then again what happened, said that he thought it a brilliant idea and wanted to know the brain behind it. कि किसने ये सोचा ऐसा. When learning that it was the barber's idea, he agreed to go heaven on a condition that he would be given a large sum of money so that his family and all will be. So he thought of curing his family, that they had no trouble while he was gone. The king agreed to both the conditions. In the duration of this month, he got a few trustworthy men. Trustworthy man means जो trust के काबिल हो, विश्वास के काबिल हो. Men to build a tunnel from the funeral grounds to his house. He told कि भाई एक गुफा बनाई जाए चुपचाप, किसी को पता ना चले, टनल बनाने के लिए. And on the day of the ascension, after the pyre had been lit, Birbal escaped through the concealed door. Conceal means गुप्त दरवाजा. Means उसने वो गुफा बनाई and then he started moving from there of the tunnel. He disappeared into his house where he hid for a few months while his hair and beard grew long and untidy. मीन्स अपना वो दैट टाइम व्हाट ही डिड, वो अपने घर में जाके छुप के बैठ गया, खूब दाढ़ी वगैरह उसकी बढ़ गई. दैट टाइम ही केम बैक. इन द मीन टाइम हिज एनिमीज वर रिजॉइसिंग, दे वर just celebrating. Rejoicing means celebrating, as they thought that they had seen the last of Birbal. Then one day, after many months, Birbal arrived at the palace with news of king's father. The king was extremely pleased to see him and ready with a barrage of questions. Means अब पता चल गया उसको कि भाई वो आ गया, वो क्वेश्चन उसके दिमाग में था. That Birbal, that king, he asked what and all his father was, how was he and all. Birbal told the king that his father was in best spirit and he had provided with the comforts except one, कि उनको सारे ऐशो आराम मिले हुए हैं, बस एक ही उनको कमी है. वो क्या कमी है? The king wanted to know what lacking because now he thought he had found a way to send things and people to heaven. अब राजा खुश हो गया because he know how to send a people and जो भी कुछ भेजना उनके through he can send. So Birbal answered that there were no Babas in heaven. So Birbal told that there are no Babas there. So why, which is very, even he was forced to grow his own beard. He said that his father had asked for a good barber. तो उन्होंने कहा कि भाई एक बार्बर चाहिए आपके फादर को, so please do that. So the king decided to send his own barber to serve his father in heaven. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, बीरबल ने तैयारी करवा दी उसकी बार्बर की कि भाई अब ये जाएगा वहां पे. He called both the barber and the magician to prepare to send him to heaven, because magician was a mediator. The barber could say absolutely nothing in his own defense. अब बार्बर के पास कुछ नहीं अपने डिफेंस में बोलने के लिए, as he was caught in his own trap, क्योंकि वो खुद के जाल में फंस गया. And once the pyre was lit, एक बार अगर चिता में आग लग गई, pyre means चिता, was lit, he died on the spot. तो क्या हुआ? He was died. So nobody dared to conspire against Birbal again. किसी की हिम्मत नहीं हुई कि कोई बीरबल के अगेंस्ट अब साजिश कर सके. सो दिस वाज द वीडियो. सो प्लीज गो थ्रू द चैप्टर so that you can understand this chapter again. Thank you for watching the video.